Pa se je končal zmagoviti niz naših pubecev. V težkih pogojih, z veliko težavami zaradi kartonov in bolezni, so včeraj naši pubeci klonili v Ajdovščini proti Primorju, na koncu so se Ajdovci veselili zmage z 2-1. Tu so najzanimivejši trenutki te tekme.
Yeah, I mean, it was a very disappointing first half, especially obviously being 1-0 down. I take full accountability for the first goal. The referee didn't give the foul, so they scored, and then we tried to fight, come back into the game. We had many chances, 2 clear chances in the first half. We should have scored, and then second half, obviously I managed to help us get the goal, and then. To be honest, we have to go and attack and we have to kill the game. We have 2-3 clear chances again. We don't take them, and then obviously they go down the other end, and again they have their chance and they score the goal. So it's very frustrating. I feel like we need to do a lot more in attack. But yeah, the fight is not over and we'll keep fighting.
Ja, naredili smo nekaj rošad v igri. Res je, da nismo imeli vse igralce na voljo. Ampak danes nismo bili pravi, ni bila prava želja po zmagi in normalno nogomet ti ne da, ko nisi pravi. Pa mi smo vedeli, da nas čaka težka tekma. Primorje je zelo kompaktna ekipa, ki igra dobro. Danes, bomo rekel, tudi so imeli več sreče, ker smo mi naredili tudi 2 individualne napake in oni so dali gol iz teh 2 napak. Je pa res, da smo imeli nekaj dobrih priložnosti, ki jih nismo poentirali.